Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight on a Honda Odyssey. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool to the touch. You will need a new headlight bulb, which is typically an H1 bulb, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always wear gloves to avoid touching the new bulb's glass. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the old bulb. Open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few screws or a plastic cover to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully twist the bulb's housing counterclockwise to unlock it. Then, gently pull the electrical connector straight off the bulb. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Hold the new bulb by its plastic base, avoiding touching the glass. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the slots in the headlight housing and gently push it into place. Twist clockwise to secure it. Finally, firmly reattach the electrical connector until it clicks. Before closing up, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight. Ensure it illuminates properly. If it works, reattach any plastic covers or screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is secure. If your headlights seem misaligned, consult your owner's manual for adjustment procedures. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.